In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add questions in Calendly. Whether you're hosting meetings, scheduling interviews, or organizing events, asking the right questions beforehand can make a huge difference in how smoothly things run. Calendly, a powerful scheduling tool, allows you to customize the questions your invitees answer when they book time with you. This feature is incredibly useful for gathering important details upfront, saving you time, and ensuring you're fully prepared for your meetings. If you're new to Calendly, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive in and learn how to add and customize questions in Calendly. First, log in to your Calendly account. Once you're on the home page, you'll see a list of your event types. Go ahead and click on one of them to select the event you'd like to customize. This step is important because each event type can have its own set of questions, allowing you to tailor the experience for different types of meetings or appointments. After you select your event, take a look at the panel that appears on the right-hand corner of your screen. This is where all the customization options for your selected event are located. From here, you can make adjustments to the settings and details for this specific event. Next, click on the More Options menu within the panel. This will expand additional settings that you can configure for your event. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Invitee Form. This is where you'll make changes to the questions your invitees will see when booking. Once you're in the Invitee Form section, you'll notice a drop-down menu next to the label. Click on that drop-down, and from the options provided, select Invitee Questions. This will open the area where you can view and edit the questions associated with this event. By customizing these questions, you can gather the specific details you need from your invitees, which will help you better prepare for your meeting. Now that you're in the Invitee Questions section, you can start adding new questions or modifying existing ones. For example, you might want to ask for specific information like a project overview, dietary preferences for a lunch meeting, or even their preferred topics for discussion. This step is all about optimizing the information you collect so that your event runs as efficiently as possible. Once you've added or updated your questions, take a moment to carefully review your entries. Make sure they're clear, relevant, and free of any errors. Well-thought-out questions can greatly enhance the quality of your interactions by ensuring you're asking for the right information in the right way. When you're satisfied with your changes, don't forget to save them. Click the Save Changes button on the panel. This step is crucial because it ensures that your new or updated questions are stored and will appear to your invitees when they book a meeting with you. And that's it. You've successfully customized the questions for your event in Calendly. By doing this, you're not only streamlining your scheduling process, but also setting yourself up for more productive and tailored meetings. If you have any questions about this process or want to share how you use Calendly, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.